AI myth number 2. My competitors aren't using AI. They're not posting about it. Silence doesn't mean they're waiting. They adopted tools that take the repetitive load, so their people can focus on decisions. Signal 1. Reply speed jumps. They respond while you're still triaging. Signal 2. Less back and forth. Their process suddenly feels frictionless.
Who is handling this? Any updates?
Signal 3. Pricing tightens without them looking stressed. That usually means their workload is lighter. They're not using AI is a comforting story, and comfort gets expensive. And don't wing it. Most internal AI attempts fail, not because AI is bad, but because rollout has no guardrails. Here's how to spot it in your market this week. Reply speed, friction drop, and pricing pressure. Follow Omnisenti for more AI myth busting.